Hello and welcome back to Humanizer. So I've been working on adding the root motion to the Mixamo animations in Godot, so you don't have to use Blender. But for now, I just wanted to go over the basic Mixamo animation import without the root motion. So in the Humanizer repository, I've added in the data animations folder, I've added the Mixamo reduced.fbx, which is just the default human with the Mixamo skeleton. So you can go ahead and download this from the repository, and that will be included in the next release. And then in Mixamo.com, you can upload that FBX file directly. You don't need to export from Blender. So let that process. And once it's done, you can search for as many animations as you want. So I'll just grab one. And you can change some of the parameters if you want. Go ahead and download it as an FBX. And you have to make sure that with skin is selected. Without skin will not work. And I'll talk about that in a different video. But then you just download the animation as an FBX and save it in your project folder. And currently you cannot use these packs, so like the Sword and Shield pack or the Capoeira pack that have multiple animations in them. They will have the wrong base skeleton for whatever reason. So I am working on that, and I'll let you know when you can download the packs as well. And once the animation is in your project, you can click on it. So there's the sittingclap.fbx. Click on that and under import, change the import as to animation library. And then you'll want to click on advanced. And then click on the skeleton, and under retarget, make a new bone map, and click on it again, set the profile to new skeleton profile humanoid, and that will map the bones automatically because they're named correctly. And then you'll just click re-import to create the animation library. And now you can open up the authoring scene or any other Humanizer character, and in the animation player, animation, manage animations, you can load the animation player library that we just imported and hit OK. And then you can select that. You'll probably need to deactivate the animation tree, but now you can see that it's using the animations. So this is the default rig, and you can see it has the face bones. You'll need to make sure that you're using one of the retargeted. So we have default, Mixamo, and Game Engine. Only the default rig has the face bones, so that's the one I'll be using. But if you don't select the retargeted version, the animations aren't going to work at all. So just keep that in mind. And like I said, I'm looking into the root bone and the batch importing without Blender, so just using Godot for that. But I'll let you know when I make progress. So I was going to show you how to export a custom skeleton so you could have adjusted animations, but it looks like even in Mixamo, so you can see I've made his legs really short and his arms really long. And so like the hands are clipping through each other, and then when he puts his hands on his knees, it's like, or on his thighs, it's like down past his knees. So you can see that this is actually an issue on Mixamo.com. So I don't think that I can fix this without inverse kinematics. So anyway, just something to keep in mind. Let me know if you have any ideas on this. But if you do still want to use a custom skeleton with your Mixamo animations, you'll need to create a new human with the MPFB2 plugin for Blender, and then you'll adjust the model phenotype options as desired, and then under the rigging, you'll add the Mixamo rig and add standard rig, and then under operations animation, you can create the Mixamo reduced doll FBX. So you'll click that, and then you can name it whatever, Mixamo long arms. And then in the options, you'll want to, under armature, you can disable the leaf bones because you don't really need them. So, and then you'll export the FBX and you can upload that to Mixamo. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.